How to view your sent friend requests on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can view all of the friend requests that you have sent from your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook app from your device and get logged into your Facebook account. At this page, you will see your friends icon just beside your home icon, and under friends, you will see friend requests. Tap open that option. If you have sent any friend request, it will be shown at this page. In my case, I have not sent a friend request to anybody, so this says blank. But you can also go ahead and tap on see friend suggestions and add people from here. But for today's video, this is how you can view the friend request that you have sent from your Facebook account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. In the meantime, stay updated.